Hi, I'm Rick Prasad with the West Coast Home Sales Group, Keller Williams Van Central. I'd just like to give you a little update on what's happening in the market right now and some statistics you might find helpful. Currently, what we saw in January of 2022, there was a drop in the number of sales. However, the high demand of buyers is still pushing prices up. What we saw in January was 2,285 sales, which is actually a decrease of 4.4% from January of the same time last year. And it was a 15% decrease from the sales in December of 2021. But despite this, we still saw a 25% above the January average for the last 10 years. So despite there was a decrease, it was still 25.3% above the 10-year average for January. There were approximately a little over 4,000 newly listed properties on the MLS system in the month of January, which is approximately a 6.9% decrease from the same time last year. However, it is a 114.4% increase from December of 2021, which indicates there's a lot of new inventory coming on the market, which is a good thing. The number of homes for sale, however, in the market is less than 50% of what is optimal for the beginning of the year. And as a result, it's causing still some fierce bidding and fierce competition by buyers to get a hold of those properties. And as a result, it's causing prices to be pushed up. The number of homes that are currently on the market in Vancouver area is 5,663, which is 31.8% decrease compared to the same time last year. And it is also an 8.2% increase compared to December. Currently, what we know, analysts tell us that when the sales to active ratio dips below 12% for a sustained period of time, it causes prices to go down. And when the sales to active ratio is above 20% for a sustained period of time, it puts upward pressure on homes. What we have right now in our current market over all property types is 40.3% is the sales to active ratio. For detached homes, it is 28%. For townhomes, it is 51.6%. And for apartments, it is 49.7%. So this clearly indicates, and these numbers have been sustained for a while, this clearly indicates that it is a strong seller's market. If you're thinking of selling, it's probably a good time to do that. As spring approaches, we'll see how the increase in interest rate will affect things. And hopefully we'll see an increase in the number of homes on the market, an increase in inventory as we approach the busiest time of the year. Currently, the benchmark price over all property types in the Metro Vancouver area is $1,255,200. That represents an increase of 18.5% over the same time last year and a 2% increase over December of 2021. The benchmark price for detached homes in the Metro Vancouver area right now is $1,953,000, which represents a 22.7% increase in price over the same time, January 2021, and a 2.2% increase in price over December 2021. The benchmark price for apartments in the Metro Vancouver area is $775,700, which represents a 14% increase to the same time last year. And it also represents a 1.8% increase over the prices in December of 2021. The benchmark price for townhomes is $1,029,500, which represents a 24.3% increase in price over the same time last year, and it indicates a 2.5% increase in price over December of 2021. So this is a short summary. What this means is prices still seem to be going up. We'll keep an eye closely on the market this coming spring to see how the increase in interest rates and the increase in the number of homes on the market and whether buyers' demand will stay high. We'll keep an eye on it and keep you updated as the year goes on. Thanks for listening. If you would like to know any information on any specific area, your neighborhood, feel free to call me at 604-889-9421. I'd be happy to pull the latest information for you and provide it no obligation to sell. We're just happy to provide up-to-date, current, accurate information for anybody who's asked for it. So feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to provide it for you. Thanks again for listening. See you next month. Bye for now.